Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2018 Chevy Suburban LT 4-wheel drive. Stock number X421XX. 22,000 miles, and this Suburban comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. This Suburban seats 7, leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. DVD screens for the second and third row, along with wireless headphones and remote. Rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats fold flat, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors and trailering package. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60-40 split. Third row seats fold flat. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Put you in that perfect driving position, and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Power moonroof overhead. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, along with forward collision alert, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the center console. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Suburban is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon, and a city average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Suburban, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.